In today's instructional video, we will be installing an FSB tubular privacy set. Remember, when working on your door, always work on it in the open and unlocked position. You may be tempted to install that restriction screw early, but note that the latch will not fit into the edge bore of the door with anything attached to it. Insert the latch into the door with the directional arrow on the back pointing up. With the latch in the door, you are able to rotate the front end to fit the direction you need the door to swing. Once you have chosen the direction, secure it with the 2 screws and faceplate that come with your set. With the latch fastened to the edge of the door, now it's time to install the restrictor screw. This will prevent the privacy mechanism from engaging on the wrong side of the door. This privacy set utilizes a swivel spindle that is installed from the secure side of the door. Always adjust the spindle to allow for a 1/16 inch gap. This will allow the spindle to have a full 360 degrees of rotation and prevent any binding when using this door. Once you push the spindle into the latch hub, push it up until the small metal nubs stop it from passing through. With the spindle installed, now it's time for the subconstructions. Note the bottom of the subconstructions have a small black plastic tab. Slide the subconstructions over the spindle and allow the lugs on the back of the subconstructions to go into their corresponding prep holes on the face of the door. Secure the subconstructions to the door with the 2 M5 bolts and end caps that are within your set. From the secure side of the door, you should have the end caps, and on the interior side, you should have your Phillips head. When attaching the roses to the subconstruction, place them over the subconstruction and press firmly from the top to the bottom. You will note that the small nub cut out of the bottom of the roses will seat the plastic tip from the bottom of the subconstruction. Once the roses are installed, you can screw in the privacy pin on the interior side of the door. This will screw into the privacy mechanism opposite that of the restrictor screw on the secure side. When installing the levers, simply slide them over the black plastic nozzle that houses our spindle. Once they are snug up to each respective rose, secure them with the set screw that's underneath. With the levers installed, our build is complete. With the door open, test the inside and outside actions separately, then try locking with the privacy pin and using the 1-action egress from the interior lever. Thank you for choosing FSB, and as always, have a safe day.